Also, when you go abroad, people look for कि what kind of character you have और कितना आप society को give back करते हो. So these are the things which actually help you when you want to pursue an MBA abroad.
Hello everyone, welcome to IC2C's podcast series. So this podcast is in collaboration with Gopali Youth Welfare Society. It is India's largest student NGO. And in this podcast, we'll be talking about what is social impact consulting and how one can pursue social impact consulting as a career. So our guest is Mr. Prerit Jain. He is a final year undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur and currently working as CEO of Light, which is an expansion initiative of GYWS. He also backed a full-time opportunity with Citibank as business analyst. So hello Prerit, how are you?
I'm fine, Jalaj. How are you?
I am also good. So we'll start with your introduction first.
Okay. My name is Prerit, and I am pursuing right now a dual degree in industrial engineering management from IIT Kharagpur. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Uh, According to me, college is all about exploring different fields, what you want to explore after KGP or after college. So I also explored a lot of things. I explored supply chain management, I explored analytics, I explored different case studies, explored consulting, I also explored social sector through my experience with the NGO and through my internships, whatever I have done. Uh, I will talk today about the social impact consulting, whatever I know about it, about a couple of about the details I have learned that what can help you to get into social impact consulting, and hope we have a good discussion.
Okay, Prerit. So we'll start with the basic question. Like what is social impact consulting?
Okay, so I'll compare it with the management consulting because it is like it is what people pursue generally and people know about. So while traditional management consulting focuses on improving the performance of businesses, often by following best practices in the industry, in social impact consulting, what happens is they take a broader approach and they also focus on creating some kind of social improvements for several stakeholders which are involved in it. So basically, there are two type of areas in the social impact consulting. One is when you do consulting for governments. So in these, what happens is generally you propose a policy as well as you work till the execution, and that's what is different in consulting for a government. There are different kind of organizations which provide you with these kind of roles. One is Samagra Governance. They work with Haryana government. Second is Haryana Chief Minister program. That is also a fellowship program which Chief Minister of Haryana has launched, where new freshers can join and they work on the projects and for different developmental sector challenges which we have like healthcare, education, etc. The next other type of consulting revolves around consulting for foundations and big organizations. For example, let's say like Bill Gates Foundation, Melinda and Bill Gates Foundation, they want to spend some money in India and they want to eradicate malaria from India. So they will need an action plan, right? So that's where these consultants come in and they try to uh, build a project plan for them and how they can exactly go to the ground. They do all the market research and build a plan for them and give it to them. And then it depends on the organization itself whether or not they want to involve the consultants in the execution part or not. So generally what happens is this does not include the execution part, but consulting for government generally includes it. There are organizations like Dalberg and Satwa Consulting which do this kind of work.
Okay, Prerit. So this was all about कि what is social impact consulting. So like now हम अब ये जानना चाहते हैं कि यार why one should go for social impact consulting and what are the major motivations behind this and आपका क्या motivation था इसको pursue करने के लिए?
Okay, so first thing first, like why people will go into impact consulting? It's a very interesting question, Jagat. the thing is कि there are people out there who actually want to create an impact, and what they feel is through their internships and programs that uh, in a corporate world it doesn't happen generally. Like it is not consumer facing, and whatever work you do, it doesn't have a direct impact to the society. So generally, if someone who is interested in work which create a direct impact at to the beneficiaries, they try to go for a career in impact consulting. Other than that, other than the primary motivation behind serving the society, there are other benefits too for going for impact consulting. जैसे कि if you want to pursue an MBA abroad, so for Indians specifically, there are several scholarship programs. I'll provide the link to you. You can add it in the description of this video.
Yeah,
Uh,
sure.
those are valid for only those people जिनके पास let's say 1 year 2 year का experience है for social impact consulting or anything in the social sector itself. Also, when you go abroad, people look for कि what kind of character you have और कितना आप society को give back करते हो. So these are the things which actually help you when you want to pursue an MBA abroad. So that is also the motivation of many people to come into uh, social impact consulting space.
Okay. So yeah, this was major motivations. So now I'll move towards like what are the experiences
Okay,
required?
1 minute. I'll stop you. Like I haven't added why I want to pursue, so I'll just complete it. So the thing is,
Okay, okay, ठीक
there
है.
can be another reason which I didn't mention, that if anybody wants to, uh, let's say like if anybody wants to run his own social enterprise or open his own NGO. So before going to before directly going to the ground and starting, they can actually work for these impact consulting firms which actually work with these NGOs and foundations. So they will get a hands-on experience of how what are the problems which are there in these spaces, and then when they are equipped with it, and they also meet like-minded people in the process, right? कि जो लोग इस फील्ड में काम करना चाहते हैं, तो तुम्हें एक अच्छी टीम भी मिल जाती है और तुम्हें एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस सेट भी मिल जाता है अगर तुम्हें इन फ्यूचर ऐसा कुछ करना है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट माय मोटिवेशन इज.
Okay. So yeah, that's very nice. So we'll move towards the like हमने डिस्कस कर लिया क्या होता है क्यों करना चाहिए. अब हम लोग इस पे मूव करना चाहेंगे कैसे लेते हैं like why how what are the different spikes that firm looks into and what are the experiences required to get into social impact consulting. So what's your take on this?
Okay, so the CV shortlisting. So the process is divided, say similar to how management consulting firms hire. They start with CV shortlisting, and in their CV generally what they look for is आपका प्रोफाइल काफ़ी डाइवर्स होना चाहिए, और यू शुड बी लाइक आपको हर फील्ड में अच्छा करना होगा. तो फॉर एग्जांपल इन एकेडमिक्स यू शुड हैव अ डिसेंट CGPA. Also you should be having position of responsibilities at various places. In order to get into these firms, it is not important to have an experience in social sector, but it helps if you have an experience in it. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप किसी NGO से के साथ काम किए हुए हैं, या आपने पहले ही किसी ऐसी कंसल्टिंग फर्म में इंटर्न किया, या आपने खुद का ही कुछ सोशल एंटरप्राइज स्टार्ट किया है, हल्ट प्राइज कॉम्पिटिशन्स, ऑल दोज थिंग्स एक्चुअली हेल्प इन दिस. तो as I have come to case study competitions, I'll talk about. So I have also participated in a lot of case study competitions, and what I realized is कि generally these case study competitions are just on paper, right? Like you submit some solution, people don't do anything about it, and also there are the most of the competitions are not on developmental challenges; those are on business level challenges. So that's why like Gopali Youth Welfare Society is organizing a socio innovation case challenge uh, from starting from this year, and this year we are focusing on national education policy, which is a very important step जो government ने लिया है. And हमने एक इसके अराउंड एक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म किया है, एंड what we are looking for is actual solutions from the youth out there so that we can also execute it. So unlike other on paper competitions, आपके जो भी ideas यहाँ पर आप देंगे, that can actually uh, be executed at the ground level. And these kind of competitions, if you win some, these actually add spikes to your CV, which these people look for कि आपने क्या काम किया है और क्या impact रहा है आपके काम का.
Okay. Okay, so that's very nice. And like जो आपने बोला डेवलपमेंटल साइड पे कुछ नहीं है, इवन आई एम डूइंग केस स्टडी फ्रॉम क्वाइट अ व्हाइल, सो ऐसे मुझे भी नहीं मिले थे डेवलपमेंटल साइड पे कोई कंपटीशन हो जिसमें हम पार्ट ले सके और कुछ कर सके. So that's a very nice initiative at GYWS. So like since we are talking about social impact consulting, so कुछ टिप्स देना चाहोगे कि कोई बंदा प्रिपेयर कैसे कर सकता है? You have talked about कि ये स्पेक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड कुछ जैसे MBBS की टिप्स होती है, तो उस तरह से कोई टिप्स की कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकता है कोई बंदा इसके लिए?
Yes. So I'll start by preparing your CV because that is what which will get you in the very first place. So in your CV, you should include. So a CV will be uh, generally like that only कि जो आप MBB के लिए बना रहे हैं, those CVs it will be like that only कि आप spikes दिखा रहे हैं academics में, what are your एक्सपीरियंसेस. आप डिपार्टमेंट रैंक 1 है तो आप वो बताइए, आपने डिपार्टमेंट चेंज किया है आप वो बताइए, आपकी कोई बहुत अच्छे कंपटीशन या ओलंपियाड में बहुत अच्छी रैंक आई है आप वो बताइए. Moving forward in the experience section, if you have some brand name it's okay, but they also look for कि अगर आपका कुछ अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है पहले, तो they also give weightage to that which is in the impact space. तो थोड़ा उससे फ़ायदा होता है. आई विल नॉट से कि अगर आपका नहीं है तो आप सिलेक्ट नहीं हो पाएंगे, बट अगर है तो दैट विल डेफिनेटली ऐड वैल्यू टू CV your CV shortlisting. Add competitions you have won, and these are the spikes which they generally look for, and they look for brand names in your CV. So whatever you do, try to put it in a way कि this it seems कि you are unique from others. After
Okay.
CV preparation, like in general, you have to prepare for case interviews. These firms also have case interviews in their interview process, similar to what MBB have. तो यहाँ पर केस इंटरव्यूज थोड़े अलग होते हैं. इन जनरल लाइक जैसे कि हम लोग मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी केसेस एंड मार्केट एंट्री केसेस, और वहाँ पे एक और थर्ड डोमेन होता है कि आउट ऑफ द ब्लू, लाइक जो कैसे भी केस आ सकता है कि आप इन दोनों कैटेगरीज में लाई नहीं करेगा. तो जनरली इनके इंटरव्यूज में आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स केसेस ही आते हैं. मतलब बिकॉज दीज आर डेवलपमेंटल चैलेंजेस, दीज आर नॉट स्ट्रक्चर्ड इन एनी मैनर. आपको अगर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इरेडिकेट करना है तो देयर इज नो स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे टू ब्रेक इट डाउन, राइट. वो आपको उनको दिखाना होगा कि आप कैसे ब्रेक डाउन करोगे और आप कैसे सॉल्व करोगे. तो हियर लाइक एज मच यू विल प्रैक्टिस उतना तुम्हें फ़ायदा होगा. आप क्योंकि आप वो चीज़ें प्रैक्टिस करते जाओगे तो आपका माइंड वैसे ही वर्क करेगा, तो आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आएगी यू विल लुक इनटू इट. और दिस इज़ अ प्रैक्टिकल थिंग आई विल से, लाइक देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ थ्योरी आउट देयर. बहुत सारे लोग बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, और मतलब बहुत सारी केस बुक्स अवेलेबल हैं, बट ट्राई टू फाइंड अ good case group of your own and try to practice as much as you can. That is the only thing which will help you in the longer run. And analyze your cases. Don't focus on the quantity of cases you do with your partner, focus on the quality of cases you do, because that will actually add value. Analyze your case, what have you done, how differently it can be gone, like जो भी फीडबैक मिलता है उस हिसाब से आप हर बार चेंज करिए खुद को, देन इट विल बी फाइन.
ओके, थैंक यू प्रेरित. सो थैंक यू फॉर टेलिंग कि कैसे हम लोग प्रोसीड कर सकते हैं. एंड गाइस, इफ यू आर समवन लुकिंग फॉर एमबीबीएस के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करें, तो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द आई बटन. एक और वीडियो है उसमें हमने ये भी डिस्कस करा कि कोई बंदा एमबीबीएस के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकता है, क्या क्या कर सकता है. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द टिप्स जो प्रीत ने बताया कुछ कुछ एमबीबीएस में भी लगेगी, मोस्ट ऑफ देम. सो थैंक यू प्रेरित. एंड गाइस, जो केस कॉम्पिटिशन की बात कर रहे थे उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में रजिस्ट्रेशन का 14th ऑफ फरवरी तक लिंक ओपन है, तुम लोग जाकर रजिस्टर कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड, तो जाकर रजिस्टर करो, फॉर्म भरो, एंड देखो क्या होता क्या है एक्चुअली में, डेवलपमेंट चैलेंजेस क्या है और कैसे तुम लोग काम कर सकते हो. सो या, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग विद अस प्रेरित.
Thank you.